Hello children, good morning. Welcome to our maths class. How are you? Hope that you are fine. Let us start our class now. Now we will learn subtraction of like fractions. Already we know the process how to add the like fractions. Let us see how to do the subtraction also for like fractions. Take here one example. The two fractions are 3 by 8 minus 1 by 8. So the denominators are same, which means these are the like fractions. As the same as addition, you have to subtract numerators only. In addition, we are adding only numerators when the fractions are like fractions. In the subtraction process also we are doing the same thing. Subtract numerators by keeping the same denominator once. So 3 minus 1 by 8. 3 minus 1 is a 2 by 8. Now verify this answer whether it is in simplest form or not. 2 and 8, these both are not prime numbers and there is a common factor for 2 and 8. What is that common factor? 2. 2 ones are 2 and 2 fours are 8. So the answer is 1 by 4. So if there is no common factor for numerator and denominator, then that fraction is said to be in lowest form. That's why if any common factor is there, you just divide by that common factor both numerator and denominator to get the lowest term or lowest form. So the answer is 1 by 4. Take one more example. Five by 9 minus 2 by 9. So both the denominators are same. These are the like fractions. Now subtract numerators directly. 5 minus 2 whole by 9. One time only we are taking 9. Now 5 minus 2 is a 3 by 9. Again here for the numerator and denominator we have common factor 3. So divide by 3 both numerator and denominator. 3 ones are 3. 3 threes are 9. So 1 by 3 is now in the simplest form. Okay, let us take one more example. Eight by 5 minus 1 by 5. So first check for the denominators. Here the denominators are same, which means these are like fractions. Then subtract numerators. 8 minus 1 whole by 5. 8 minus 1 is a 7 by 5. So 7 by 5. Again check for the common factor for both numerator and denominator. Here 7 and 5 both are the prime numbers. Already we know prime numbers doesn't have common factors. So 7 is a prime number, means there is no factors other than 1 and itself. 5 is also a prime number. There is no factor other than 1 and itself. So 7 and 5 as both are the prime numbers, there is no common factor. Finally the answer is 7 by 5. This is the way to subtract given like fractions. today's homework, children. Here I gave 21 questions. Find the difference, means you have to do the subtraction. If you observe, all the denominators are same for each question. For first question, 10 by 12 minus 3 by 12. Here the denominators are same, means we can say these type of fractions as like fractions. Now we learn how to add and how to subtract the like fractions. So do these all questions in the homework book. Okay.